guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Beauty by Afe. So this is a Valentine makeup tutorial and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Now I'm using the Sephora lip balm in Goji, and I also use the Ogenist Elevate Contour Cream on my face. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild brush, and I'm using the ABH Brow Pomade in color Ebony to do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be brushing it to spread the product evenly. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the Elegant Pro Conceal in color Cocoa, dark cocoa, on top of my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use color Toffee below my eyebrows to clean this eyebrows. So I'll be using the Vanity Planet Crisp Blending Brush to blend the concealer into my skin. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply Urban Decay Eyeshadow Portion Primer on my eyelids. And I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette, the 39 AD. So now I'm applying Expression on my crease, and I'm blending it also using the Vanity Planet Crease Blending Brush. Now I'm using another brush and I'm applying Create on my crease, and I'm gonna blend these two shadows together. So after that, I'm gonna go back and apply the Expression eyeshadow again on top of the colors and blend this two together. So I'm applying the eyeshadow portion primer from Urban Decay on my eyelids, so that way the next shadow I apply is gonna stay all day, like stay all day. So I'll be applying the shade Trendy on my lids, and I'm gonna blend it out using the blending brush. So I'm using the Clinique liquid liquid eyeliner. So right now I'm applying the NASPA and Shine primer on my face, and I will be applying the Lancome 24-hour foundation in color 542W on my face using the Real Technique buffing brush. So I'm using the Real Technique blender, and I'm gonna use the Elegant Pro color in color Toffee as my highlights. So I'm gonna use the beauty blender to dab this into my skin, and I apply the product in my nose, chin, forehead, and then into my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Real Technique buffing brush to blend out the edges to make it look flawless. I'll be going back into my Morphe 39A Dear palette and apply the color Frame as my contour. So I'm gonna apply this I'm gonna apply this to the areas where I want to contour, and also on my nose. And I'm gonna use the Real Technique buffing brush to blend out the edges. And right on my chin, I forgot to blend out that Toffee Elegant Pro concealer. Like what? But girl, your girl remembered that and went to fix it. So right now I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna apply this all over my face because I'm gonna be out all day and I want this face to be matte whole day. So I'm gonna go back and use the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in color 360 Mocha. Yeah, I'm gonna apply this all over my face to take away the ashiness from the translucent powder, but I'm gonna leave underneath my eyes to bake for a while. So I'm applying the Better Sex, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lashes to prepare it for my extension. Now I'm using a duo glue on the Tarte lashes in Flirt, and I'm gonna leave this to get tacky for like 30 to 60 seconds and apply this on my ash line. Did I just say ash line? Oh my god, guys, I'm sorry. On my lash line. Like, I need to get it right. So I'm applying the first shade, no, the second shade I used on my face, which is Create. I'm going to apply that on my lash line, then go back and use the color expression to smoke it out. Dust off the powder from the translucent Laura, whatever, but yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Now I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to combine my lashes and the extension together, and also on my lower lashes. So now I'm using the Fenty Kilowatt Highlight in Girl Next Door and Chick Freak. I'm applying this on my nose, my chin, my forehead, the areas where I want to like glow and illuminate. And also my Cupid's bow. And I'm using the, I don't know how to pronounce this word, but I think it's Bean Gatches, I guess, illuminator brush to achieve this. To apply this on my face and to apply my highlights. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So now I'm using the ABH Glow Kit in color Golden Dawn, and I'm popping this in my inner eye, to just give my eyeshadow look a little bit, glow. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauties Toner Lip Paint. So I applied a little bit because I know a little go a long way, and I'm using the Vanity Planet lip brush to spread this evenly on my lips and excluding my lip line because my lips is big, guys, like big, so I don't always apply the lipstick all over my lips. Just inside the lip and leave the lip line so that we can look nice. And I'm gonna go back and apply the Golden Dot from the ABH Glow Kit on my lip line, my upper lip line, to just make it, define it and make it look nice. So I'm using the NYX blush. I don't know what color is that, but it's NYX blush. And I'm using the Sigma 103 blush, Sigma 103 brush to apply this on my cheeks. So now I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lock It spray to spray that face, like set that set. I'm using the Kat Von D Lock It setting spray to spray that face, to make it last all day. And that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give this video a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, like why haven't you subscribed? What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. You're welcome to this family, okay? And make sure you stay beautiful as always, and know I love you. Until my next video, bye.